Good morning. My name is Nate Bernstein, and I am the managing attorney for LA Real Estate Law Group. We are a premier real estate law firm in Southern California, having serving clients for more than 30 years in the courts of Southern California. Grab a cup of coffee, because I'm going to talk a little bit about real estate title fraud today. Thank you for joining me. Real estate title fraud is a serious matter, and you or a family member might be the victim of real estate title fraud. What happens is you discover a fraudulent grant deed or fraudulent mortgage recorded on your real estate title profile. The fact is that title fraud is on the rise in Southern California, and the perpetrators operate very covertly and with the latest digital technology. The perpetrators of title fraud also operate with corrupt notary republics to construct fraudulent real estate transfer documents. So as a starting point, please check your real estate title profile for anything that might seem peculiar or that you did not sign. You know, out there's companies that sell you a service to monitor the state of your real estate title. They sell this on a monthly basis or quarterly basis, and they charge a fee for that. Well, they might be able to monitor your real estate title, but can only do just that. They can monitor the title and may notify you if there is a change in the title profile. But these companies that monitor the state of title and that sell some type of monthly subscription or quarterly subscription, they cannot really fix the problem if you or a family member or your company is a victim of real estate title fraud. They are just essentially marketing companies that cannot really fix the problem. They cannot restore your title to the way it was, and they cannot take legal action to prevent any future fraudulent transfers or to restore your title back to the status quo. Many of these companies are based out of state. They sell a small service, but they cannot practice law and they cannot fix a title problem that occurs on your title. And that is exactly where we, LA Real Estate Law Group, can help you. Also, you may have heard of what title insurance companies do. And it's important to have title insurance when you close a real estate transaction. The title insurance companies, they may investigate a situation, but after further review by the claims department, they might deny your claim because the claim occurred after your escrow and after your purchase. And there may be a fraud loophole exception that's in your title insurance policy. The reality is insurance companies, as you know, are in the business to make money. And if they can avoid or delay paying a claim or handling a claim and not pay or fix the title problem, they will do so because title insurance companies are in the business of making money. Also, escrow companies that you had dealt with, they can get fooled. They are not monitoring your title carefully during an escrow. And notary publics that get paid a very small fee can be bribed to have a fraudulent notarization, and sometimes even the perpetrators are a notary who will fraudulently change your title and record a fraudulent deed or deed of trust or transfer. Let's talk about local law enforcement for a moment. Local law enforcement, such as the police department and their bunco fraud division, the local district attorney or city attorney, or even United States attorney that works in conjunction with the FBI, they can investigate the situation after the fact and may file a criminal action to prosecute the perpetrators of title fraud. Well, that is important. However, local law enforcement, whether it be city, state, county, or federal, they have limited resources to handle this type of situation, and they represent the people overall. They don't represent you as the title owner. And at the end of the day, local law enforcement is really not equipped to fix a title problem directly. They don't represent you, and they cannot go to a local superior court to remedy a title situation. Also, the Department of Real Estate, that is part of your state government, they can only discipline realtors. They might investigate a situation where a realtor is involved with some kind of a title fraud, but the Department of Real Estate cannot fix and remedy a title problem. You need to take action and retain experienced real estate title counsel to fix the problem and to fix it soon before there are further transfers, further fraudulent acts that mess up your title even more. Really, the only remedy for real estate title fraud to fix the situation is to go to court where the property is located and prosecute an appropriate cause of action to fix the title. So please consult with us, LA Real Estate Law Group. We've been doing this for 30 years. We take action to protect your interests, and our services include the following. We review the state of the title and determine the best course of action. We investigate the facts and gather all the documents and organize them. We make a determination as to who will be a defendant. We don't necessarily even have to sue the mortgage company or the bank where you got your mortgage from. We'll try to keep them out of it if possible. We prepare a lawsuit, and we prepare a professional lis pendens and get it recorded and served. When you file a lawsuit, a judge and a case management or trial setting hearing is set very quickly. You also have the right to seek an injunction to stop further transfers. In the case, we conduct formal discovery, and we try very, very hard to settle the case if we can, or if we can't, we prepare for trial and we try the case. For the past 30 years, our law firm, LA Real Estate Law Group, has professionally represented clients in title legal actions, fraud cases, specific performance actions, and breach of contract real estate cases. We appear in courts in Los Angeles, Ventura County, San Fernando Valley, downtown LA, Orange County, and as far south as San Diego. We are a full-service professional law firm. We also have an informational website that you can review to learn more about remedying title fraud. And that website is laquiettitleattorney.com, laquiettitleattorney.com. Our general website is larealestatelawgroup.com. That's larealestatelawgroup.com. Our general office number is 818-383-5759. If you want a free consultation and to make an appointment. So that's really an overview of recognizing the issue of real estate title fraud for your property. And the main message is that you can't rely on third parties to take action to fix the problem. But please, partner with us, LA Real Estate Law Group, because we've been doing this for 30 years. We've been taking on real estate title fraud issues. Thank you so much. And I'm Nate Bernstein, managing partner of LA Real Estate Law Group. Have a fantastic summer.